Welcome to Learn and Success. If you want to improve your English, grow your skills, and become more confident in life, you're in the right place. Here, you'll find simple lessons, clear explanations, and stories that keep you learning every day.
Hit subscribe and join the community. Your journey to success starts here.
Learn and Success. Train your mouth to speak English confidently. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn and Success, your friendly place for simple English, real-life learning, and daily self-improvement. I'm Anna. And I'm Jake. Jake, I have to say, you sound very awake today. Like, super awake. Did your brain have coffee? My brain had coffee. My mouth is still waking up, very slowly. Ah, so the brain is ready, but the mouth is sleepy. That's a classic English learner problem. Honestly, that's true for many of you watching right now. Your brain understands English, but when it's time to speak, your mouth suddenly says, "Nope, I'm shy." You watch English videos. You understand the jokes. You know the words, but when you try to speak, the words get stuck. Your tongue feels heavy. Your lips don't move. So today, we want to tell you something very important. There is nothing wrong with you. Your mouth is just not trained yet. That word "yet" matters. Because most learners only train their brain. Grammar, vocabulary, listening, subtitles, notes, but they almost never train their mouth. So your brain is in English, but your mouth is still in your first language. And in today's video on Learn and Success, we're going to fix that together. Our topic today is simple but powerful. Train your mouth to speak English confidently. We'll explain why your mouth freezes, and then we'll show you easy daily exercises you can do at home. Think of it like a small English gym in your room. Don't worry about your level. This video is perfect for B1 learners, and even A2 learners can follow along. Some parts may feel new, but that's how progress starts. Before we continue, let's connect with you. Write in the comments your name, where you're watching from, and what's harder for you. Understanding English or speaking English. One sentence is enough. Writing is real practice. Now, let's answer the big question. Why does your mouth freeze when it's time to speak? Here's the truth most people never tell you. English is not only in your head. It's also in your lips, tongue, jaw, and sound flow. You read English. You listen to English. But you don't train your mouth every day. So your brain is trained, but your mouth muscles are not. That's why you sound slow, nervous, or broken when you speak. Not because you're bad at English, because your mouth is untrained. Think about this. Imagine you read 100 books about push-ups. You know everything about them, but you never do a single push-up. Then one day you try, and you fall. Not because you're stupid, because your muscles were never trained. That's exactly what happens with English speaking. Your mouth is a little lazy. It's used to your first language, your rhythm, your sounds. English has different stress, linking, soft sounds, and flow. So speaking is both mental and muscular. Your brain chooses the words. Your mouth carries them out. If one is weak, confidence drops. But here's the good news. Muscles can change. You can train your mouth with just 5 minutes a day. 5 minutes. That's less than scrolling one short video. And if you give those 5 minutes to your mouth every day, your English will sound different in 30 days. Not because of magic, because of the right practice. Here's your 5-minute English mouth training. Step 1. Mouth warm-up. 1 minute. Lip buzzing, tongue stretch, jaw opening, big smile. It feels silly. That's good. A warm mouth is a ready mouth. Step 2. Mirror speaking. 1 minute. Stand in front of a mirror. Say one strong sentence like, "This is my voice. I am learning English." Say it slowly first, then a little faster. Watch your mouth. Build confidence. Step 3. Shadow speaking. 2 minutes. Listen to a short sentence from a video or podcast. Repeat it immediately. Copy the rhythm and tone. No translating. Just listen and speak. This trains ears, mouth, and brain together. Step 4. Fluency loop. 1 minute. Choose one sentence. Say it slow. Say it normal. Say it fast but clear. That's one loop. Repeat it 3 times. And that's it. Your English mouth gym is done. If you do this daily, English won't stay only in your head. It will live in your mouth. Now, let's talk about sounding more natural. Fluent speakers don't speak word by word. They speak in sound groups. Not, "I am going to the market," but "I'm gonna go to the market." Same meaning, better flow. Practice small clusters like, "Let me know," "Going to go now," "Want to see it." Say them with rhythm. Put them into sentences. Record yourself. Repeat. Now, one more important thing. Even if your mouth is trained, fear can still stop you. So train your brain too. Speak with emotion, not only accuracy. Act sentences like a movie line. Use movement. Stand up. Use your hands. English is not only words, it's feeling. And repetition matters. Don't repeat like a robot. Repeat with clarity, flow, emotion, speed, and real-life use. One powerful sentence per day is enough. Remember this line. I don't repeat to remember. I repeat to become. Now, the honest truth. You are not bad at English. You are just not practicing the right way consistently. Fluency is built quietly at home, in your room, in your kitchen, on a quiet walk. One day, people will only see the result. So take a breath. You finished this full video in English. That matters. If this video helped you, support Learn and Success by liking, subscribing, and sharing it with someone who understands English but is afraid to speak. After this video, go to the mirror and say once, "This is my voice. I am training my mouth to speak English." That's your homework. We're cheering for you. This is Jake. This is Anna. And this is Learn and Success. Keep learning. Keep practicing. And we'll see you in the next video.